Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to make Tom Yum Kung. First, you'll need to prepare your aromatic base. Start by making a rich shrimp stock from shrimp heads and shells. This is crucial for depth of flavor. Next, gather fresh lemongrass, galangal, and kaffir lime leaves. Slice your mushrooms and chilies and have your fresh shrimp peeled and deveined. Having everything prepped makes the cooking process smooth and enjoyable. Now, bring your prepared shrimp stock to a gentle boil. Add the sliced lemongrass, galangal, and kaffir lime leaves. Let these aromatics infuse the broth for about 5 minutes, releasing their fragrant oils. Next, introduce your sliced mushrooms and fresh chilies. Keep the heat at a simmer. You want the flavors to meld beautifully without overcooking the vegetables. This step builds the soup's signature complexity. With the aromatics infused, it's time for the star ingredient, the shrimp. Add your fresh, peeled shrimp to the simmering broth. They will cook quickly, usually in about 2 minutes, turning a vibrant pink. Immediately after, season generously with fish sauce and fresh lime juice. Stir in a spoonful of chili paste for that authentic spicy kick. Taste and adjust the seasoning to achieve your perfect balance of sour, spicy, and savory. Your delicious Tom Yum Kung is now ready to serve. Ladle the hot soup into bowls, ensuring each serving gets a good mix of shrimp and mushrooms. Garnish with fresh cilantro and a drizzle of chili oil if you like extra heat. It pairs wonderfully with steamed jasmine rice. For other great deals, including the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum with voice control and self-emptying features, check the link in the description below. Enjoy your authentic Thai culinary creation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.